welcome to your 6 steps to healing your diastasis recti. So what this program does is it's going to walk you through those 6 foundational moves that you need. You need to relearn how to breathe. You need to understand how to connect to your deep core muscle because that was affected during your pregnancy. Understanding how to make that connection with that deep core is going to allow you to bring more strength in your superficial muscles. So your superficial muscles are your biceps, your quads, all of those big muscles that we're always wanting to build strength in and make stronger and look toner and leaner. But if we're not sure how to connect to those deep layers, that transverse abdominis, you will not be able to make the gains that you need to. So this is essentially set up for those of you who are suffering from a diastasis recti, or if you've just had a baby and you just want to start out strong again, you want to get back to the fitness level that you were at maybe before you got pregnant. This is going to give you that foundation. So I'm going to walk you through those 6 steps, foundational steps that you need to know in order to reconnect to your core. And then I'm going to give you 3 different phases of building up that strength. So once you understand how to breathe, how to connect to that deep lower understanding, how to connect to your pelvic floor, your transverse abdominis, how to do that belly pump, those are all those foundations I'm going to walk you through, and understanding proper posture and alignment. Then I'm going to give you 3 different phrases. One is really going to work on connection. So you're not going to do a lot of movement. It's very different and it's going to feel different and it's going to feel slow, but that's what's going to get you there. The second phase is again just building upon that first phase, doing a little more movements. And then that third phase is really going to set you up for making connections throughout any fitness routine that you enjoy doing. So I hope you join us, and I'm so glad that you're here to join us, and I can't wait to get started.